All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Today I'm gonna do a real quick video for you. Hidden features in all 15 to 23 Mustangs. Well, I know 18 to 23 for sure, but most 15s have most of these features too. Some of these things you've probably already seen. I've seen a couple videos myself, but I just wanted to put all those into one little video because it's not too many hidden features, but there's a couple of them in here that I like. Number one, on the key fob, a lot of people know this, and you can do this on pretty much every car. So you're gonna hit your key, you're gonna hit the lock button. If the car's already locked or whatever, you're gonna hit the lock button one time, unlock button once, and then you're gonna hit it twice and hold it down and watch what happens. Hold it down for a couple of seconds, and then boom, your windows go right down. And that's the air out the car in the summertime, or just get the heat out of there before you hop in that thing. Some of y'all got remote start. You can remote start it after that. Us manual guys don't got it, so boom, there you go. Y'all don't even know, and I didn't know this till recently, till seeing one of these videos. The trunk opens three ways. Number one, I didn't even know there's a little trunk button right here. I didn't even know there was a trunk button there. Hit that button, pops the trunk open, right? Boom, you come over, lift it, you lift it on up. Okay, cool. The number two way, the only way I really knew about doing it was hitting this button twice, pops open the trunk, just like that. Easy, right? Another one, open. But did most of you know that there's a third spot you can open your trunk? It is right below this GT sign. It's a little button, as you can see right there. It's a little button. You hit that button and it opens the trunk up. I never knew. I was always fiddling for my keys or whatever. But now there you go. Number three, third secret hidden feature to these cars. One, right? Pretty much a lot of people know what this is. This is like a sunglass holder. Pop that out there right there. Oh, I got change in there. Look at that. Oh, I use it as a change holder, as you can see. Got a couple quarters in there. But you put a little something right there, whatever you want to put in there that'll fit right there, But there's another secret compartment. There's like three secret compartments in this car, right? So you got that one there. Some people know about this one here too, right? This is the glove box. What do you mean it's a secret compartment? This little tab right here. You hit this little tab. Oh man, extra space right there. You put whatever you want in right there. Now that's specifically supposed to be for the manual, and obviously I didn't know about that. But the third spot, now I don't know if this is supposed to be here or not, but the third spot, you come in to your cup holder, right? You lift this up. It's a little dirty in there. I gotta clean this out. You can put something there right there. I don't even know what that's for right there, but this is the back of your. This is under your cup holder. They'll never, how would they know? They'll never know. I think it's one on this side too. They'll never know. I don't know how secret this one is, but sometimes you'll have your phone plugged in for CarPlay, and obviously you gotta readjust things right there for the fan speed and the temperature. Temperature's right there. A lot of people didn't know that you had to hit climate to change the direction that the thing, like I don't know, like, so as you got the apps up, all you got to do is hit forward. It's not gonna be right here, but there's like a little forward thing on the edge of your CarPlay. I can't show it because I'm recording on my phone, and that'll just bring you to this screen right here. You hit climate, and boom, that's how you change the direction of your fan speed and everything. After that, next secret thing here, which ain't much of a secret, but a lot of people never use it. Track apps, right? Now I see a lot of guys got Draggies and they got their apps and everything like that. Your car has pretty much everything you need. So on track apps, you hit the button right there. Actually, we'll go from home. From home, all you got to do is use your little scrolly buttons right there, your directionals. Go down to track apps, hit OK, right? You got your accelerometer for the track. You got your 0 to 60s, your quarter mile, your eighth mile right there. You don't need brake performance. You don't need line lock. Your lap timer, if you're on the track, you can start your timer right there. Go out. Launch controls right here. You can set your launch control. You can set the RPM. People don't even know about that. All right, and that is it, folks. Again, I know there are other videos out there, but all of them seem to be missing one of those things that I show, or two of them, or whatever, or they didn't show everything. I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of the couple of hidden features that you may have in your vehicle. If you found this informative, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. browse the channel for more, and I will see you in the next one.